Hello everyone, we're going to make this hanging lotus flower. So cut this plastic bottle and cover it using this yellow craft paper by making multiple cuts on it. Now we are going to fold this pink craft paper, cut the petal, draw lines on it. Now make 4 such petals and paste all of them around the bottle like this, one after another using double-sided tape. Now pull all the petals down and look, your flower is ready. Now we are going to put a bulb inside it and look, your beautiful glowing lotus flower is ready. Let's make this cute craft. We are going to draw a circle on yellow craft paper, draw lines around it, draw eyes and smiley face. Now cut it, make 2 such shapes. Now put a cylindrical object at the center, put a bulb and look, it is ready. We are going to make this glowing wall hanging. So we are going to first make a mixture of glue and water. Now paste the tissue paper around the balloon like this. Now pop the balloon and remove it. Now cut the ears using plastic bottle. Cover it using these cotton balls and put a bulb inside it and look, your glowing wall hanging is ready. Let's make this glowing lotus. So cut 5 cm cup, squeeze it, make multiple cuts, make the petals. We are going to make more such pieces and combine all of them together. Also we are going to paste the leaves like this, put a glowing bulb inside and look, it is ready. Look at this glowing bunny, let's make it. So take 2 balls. Now we're going to make a hole at the center. Draw the face of the bunny, paste its ears. Now put a light inside it. We are putting this fairy light inside it. Now light on it and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.